Hello, I've got a special segment for you today. I'm still in Red Hill, but I'm with Haynes Fraser. Haynes is the department head in Pathway in Brisbane. So I wanted to talk to her while we're up here on what she's seeing or what Pathway is seeing on the ground in regards to rentals in Brisbane at the moment. Hi Haynes, thank you. Thank you for talking to me. So what are you seeing at the moment? It's January. I imagine it's a really busy time.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we've seen absolutely record numbers in January. Even in comparison to previous years, I think this has been the year that we've really hit the ground running, having huge numbers through open homes, both in houses and units, which is a real positive change for Brisbane. Some numbers we're seeing 33, 44 people through open homes and applications, starting from 6 per house. So
wow, what are some standout suburbs with those sort of numbers?
Look, we are getting a fair few in Red Hill area, or anywhere as far as north as probably Stafford, and then out to Carindale as far as Gaythorne, Ferny Grove. And we're kind of experiencing those numbers all round, really. There's not an area in particular that is seeing lower than others. It's purely just a lot of traffic area through most suburbs.
Right, yeah, excellent. Yeah. And is there much of a difference at the moment to units and houses? Like, what's the unit market like?
Look, in the past, I think we definitely saw that there was a drop in the unit prices, and that was due to oversupply. And as we all know, I mean, there were a lot of development areas moving in the inner city. So I think now, I mean, personally, I'm looking for a property at the moment. I'm really struggling. So that's a really positive effect on Brisbane and what's happening. I think houses always have that stronger demand, especially in school zones. I think there will always be a demand for that. Whereas with the units, it's really picked up, so that's great.
Lovely. So lots of lease renewals coming up, I imagine, at the moment.
Yeah.
What sort of recommendations are you making to your owners in regards to rents?
Look, we're definitely always recommending to our owners to retain good quality tenants, and that's for them as well, just to reduce costs involved for them to remarket properties. And if we've got a good quality tenant, there's absolutely no need to have those tenants pushed out. But at the same time, we're obviously doing our market research, and we're really addressing that about 3 months prior to the end of the lease. And then at that time, we're really assessing the market. And if we feel like there is room for an increase, then we're definitely suggesting to our clients, small improvements that can see a rent increase. And these rent increases really do vary from anywhere to $15 to $20, and some in maximum of that as well.
Great. So houses at the moment in Brisbane, you're recommending an increase of $15 to $20 roughly?
Yeah, sometimes
at the
more.
moment,
I mean, if we do suggest some improvements, air conditioning, dishwashers, slight refurbs as well, we are finding that we can increase that a little bit more. But yeah, we've definitely seen there is a rent increase, and due to the high numbers coming through our open homes as well, I think that gives a reassurance to everyone that's looking that, look, there is small demand and there's not a lot out there, so there's competition.
Excellent. It sounds like really proactive, which is what we all want in a property manager. And I suppose the key takeaways here, we're seeing more people through open homes, so increased demand. We're seeing rents being pushed up a little bit for houses and not at least going down for units at the moment.
Absolutely.
So big improvement.
Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent. Thank you so much for joining me, Haynes. And if you're looking for a great property manager in Brisbane, contact Haynes at Pathway.